the entire year is gone, just like that. Stop for a second and ask yourself, what have I done? What's different about me today compared to 6 months ago? What goals have I accomplished? For most of us, the answer is painful, not much. We dream of better finances, healthier bodies, or a more fulfilling life, yet our habits keep us stuck. We wish for change, but rarely take action. Why? Because starting is hard. Here's the truth. Success isn't about wishing, it's about doing. And the hardest part? Taking that first step. But what if you started small? Write down 5 to 10 goals for today. Just today. They don't have to be life-changing. Finish a book chapter. Clean one messy corner. Take a 15-minute walk. These small, intentional actions create momentum. And ideally, it's a quarter-mile trail. These small, intentional actions create momentum. Now, here's the catch. Don't go to bed without crossing off those goals. Why? Because every time you complete a goal, no matter how small, you win. And those small wins, they compound day by day, step by step. They change everything. Soon, these habits will stick. You'll wake up excited to tackle your list, to chase those little wins. And when the process feels exhausting, as it will, ask yourself this: why am I doing this?
What's my motive?